While visiting Florida, I realized that being prohibited from owning or possessing firearms can really put you and your family in a dangerous spot. At the time I was in Florida, my New Jersey firearms application was still in progress. The process took so long because I was once a convicted felon until the last New Jersey governor granted me a full pardon, which was back in late 2025. And when I got back from Florida, I received some exciting news. After about a 7-month wait, my firearm application was finally approved, and so was my background check from the gun store. My laser sights, my green dot and red dot optics, and my weapon lights had already arrived in the mail months prior to the approval. In this video, you can see that I'm setting up both my shotgun and my AR15, making sure everything is secure, properly positioned, and ready for the range. The collection is coming together piece by piece, so stay tuned. We'll be taking these out to see how they perform in action. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to the channel. 2A Rich Ray, second shot.